Hi everyone, my name is Abhi and I'll be talking about my Turn project, a game called Explorer Corner. This project involves two main features, the first being procedural generation. What that is essentially, as I continue gameplay, I'll be able to generate new parts of the map from scratch. If I open up the canvas right now, we can see that there really is only what's available on the canvas from the beginning. But if I continue to scroll, new parts of the map are generated. I can use the arrow keys to move my sprite around and explore new territory. If I ever reach water, this will give me an option to start a new minigame. This minigame is the second main feature of the program. The minigame operates off of Boyd's algorithm, which mimics the movement of fish and birds in real life. Clicking on one of the fish will allow me to interact with it and catch it. And it'll give me a certain fish from a list of fishes available, and let me earn coins. I can either choose to continue fishing, go back to the map, or watch a demo. This demo just generates more fish and has a simpler background, so you can more easily see the movement following Boyd's algorithm. But what can I do with the coins that I earn in fishing? Well, we can see that this map has generated a house. If I reach the house, I'm given more options. The first being to go shopping. With the coins I have, I can't buy anything in the shop right now. But let's scroll through and see the items. I don't have enough coins, but let's see what I could do if I did have the coins. From here, I'd be able to open up an inventory. If I had something in inventory, I'd be able to place it anywhere I wanted. So let's see how that works. Now I've earned enough money to buy items. Let's say I choose to buy this couch. Now if I open up my inventory, I can see that I can remove this from the inventory and place it anywhere I want. Now I can continue gameplay and discover more territory and earn more coins by discovering new bodies of water. Thanks for watching.